Today we're going to be working on a site called SwitchZoo. Here on Miss Page's Lab you can see it's in the purple. When you click on the link, it's going to take you to this site where you are going to get to make your own animal. So you start with a base animal. You can pick elephant, monkey, pig, rhino, zebra, bear, bison, cheetah, dog. I don't care which one you pick. I think I'll do a monkey. So I'm going to click on monkey. And I'm going to give it a minute to load up. Once it's loaded, I have my monkey here. And I see different heads over here, and I see different heads down here. And I'm on the head. I can do the head, the legs, and the tail. If I pick something from down here, this is the more cool feature, where he morphs in to having the head of that other animal. If I do it from over here, his head will still change, but it does it a little quicker. It doesn't really morph. He even has a little baby on his back if I do the ring-tailed lemur. But I think I'll make him have a horse head. Then I'm going to change his legs. So I go to legs, and let's do some elephant legs. And then I want to go to the tail, and maybe I'll have a cheetah tail. So now, you're going to play around for a little bit, and you're going to create your animal. But you don't want to spend all of your time creating your animal, because after you have your animal created, you're going to write a story about your animal. So, right now down here, it's showing me a little bit about each animal that he's made up of: a horse, an African elephant, and a cheetah. But I don't want to see the facts. I want to add a title and a story. So my title is going to be my name, so that I know who wrote this. So if I was going to put my name, Amanda Page, animal. Okay? Then I'm going to click to add the story. Now, what is your story going to be about? I want you to tell me about your animal in sentences. So that means capitals at the beginning, one space in between words, a period or some kind of punctuation mark at the end. And not just one sentence. I want at least 4 sentences. So things that you could tell me: what your animal eats, what your animal likes to do, where your animal lives, let's see, what other ideas, whatever you can think of to tell me about your animal, as long as it's appropriate, is fine. Maybe, does he like to play? What does he like to play? Anything you want. And I said at least 4 sentences with capitals and periods or punctuation marks. Now, when it says at least, if you want to write more than that, that's fine. But it needs to be at least 4 sentences long. When you are finished writing about your animal, then what you're going to do, you're going to take a photo of it. There's a little camera right here. That's going to bring it to this page with your animal at the top, and then your name and your story. Once you have done that, I want you to raise your hand so that I can come check it. We might even print a few. It's a lot of colors, so we might not be able to print everybody's, but we might pick a few and print them out. Once I have seen it and have told you you're good to go, if there is any time left, then you can come up here to some of the other areas of SwitchZoo. If you go to Make and Play, there's some different games down here: build an online habitat, a puzzle, Meerkat, Sound Match, Catch the Moment, where you take like pictures of the animals. In Watch and Listen, there's some animal music and some animal videos that you can go to. Teach and Learn, I don't think, well, you can build a biome here. There's a few things that you might find here as well. So that is only after you have made your animal and written your story, and then let me see it.